Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to export video in DaVinci Resolve 18 for YouTube Shorts. First of all, go to your project settings. After that, select the timeline resolution as 4K Ultra HD and save this. Now, go to the Deliver tab and then navigate to the Export section. Here, you will have the options to change your settings, and these things matters the most. So the format is going to be QuickTime and codec should be H264. After that, the resolution should be set to 4K because that's the timeline on which we are working on. Now, quality is not going to be automatic because we have to change it according to video format. So select restricted to 60,000 and that's it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.